Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can advertise on the Zillow. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website. As you can see, here's an option for the advertise. So let's click on the advertise, and after clicking on the advertise, so as you can see, now we need to choose an option. I am an agent or broker, I am a property manager, I am a landlord. Now we need to choose the options. For example, I'm going to click on I am an agent or broker. So you have to choose the options according to your suitable, and after that you have to click on that option. And after clicking on that option, as you can see, here's options for the option is get started. So let's click on the get started, and now an agent, broker, home buyer, seller, other professionals. So home buyer, seller, and now you have to choose the option that which is more suitable for you. List your home for free. So let's click on this, and now you need to list your home here. As you can see, now you have to provide the address, now you have to provide the unit, city, and all options, and you have to click on the continue. And after that it will ask some other details for your home, and after that your home will be published there. So in this way you can advertise on the Zillow. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.